In this video, I will take you on a walking tour of the Podium in Ortigas Center. Coming up next. In this video, I'll be visiting the Podium and will give you a walking tour of the mall. Located at the corner of ADB Avenue and Julio Vargas Street. It is nestled in the middle of the Ortigas Center. Operated by the SM Supermalls, it was a joint venture of the Singaporean company Keppel and the BDO Unibank. Started back in December 2001. The BDO Corporate Tower and the Podium West Tower are the two buildings directly above it. During the time of my visit, Metro Manila is in the middle of the pandemic and the city was under general community quarantine. You will see all people inside wearing masks and following social distancing protocols. I'll identify and show you some of them as we go along. I'm currently at the ground level of the mall. Notice the high ceilings? Coupled with an elegant design, it makes the mall look even more luxurious. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe so you will not miss on my future videos. The grand atrium design of the Podium screams elegance all the way. I'm now on the second floor. See the arrow on the floor? These direct where the human traffic should go. This is in line with the social distancing protocols. The Podium Mall, especially here at the atrium, is very well lit as daylight passes through the skylights. It also saves the mall electrical bills, and not to mention, it's even better for the environment. Subscribe to my second channel, East Side Kicks. This channel is about sneakers and the sneaker culture. salons, including barbershops and other related businesses, were recently allowed to open on that day as well. What is an SM mall without a food court? They call this the corner market, simply because of the location of the food court. More on this later. Let's check out the food stalls in here. This is not your typical SM food court that we are accustomed to. The place is small and narrow. Seating is located in the middle of the hallway, and it looks like it's very limited. Hopefully there are more seating as we come inside. Here are more tables, but it is not at par with the usual SM food court. More food stalls over here. Let's see what's at the end of this hall. More tables with a very nice view of the Ortigas Center buildings. I believe this is called the corner market because the market is literally located at the corner side of the mall, with a view looking at the corner of ADV Avenue and Julio Vargas streets. Here are the social distancing protocols at the escalators. You need to be 2 steps apart from the person in front and at the back of you. That's about all the time that I have for this video. Be sure to watch the next one. Where do you want me to go next? Write on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.